Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, this is our day 2, part 2 of our Bride for Isaac lesson, Genesis 24, 1 through 67. So let's just talk about it. All right, so what we talked about yesterday was that Abraham and Sarah's son Isaac had grown up into a big man, and he needed a wife. And Abraham really wanted him to have a very special wife. He wanted a special girl for him that loved the Lord. But the girls that lived near Abraham and around Isaac, they did not love the Lord. They lived according to the ways of the world. They did not love God. They did not serve God. And so Abraham called for his friend Eleazar, his special servant Eleazar, and said, "Hey, can you go to my old town, and find my son a special wife?" And Eleazar said, "Okay, I will, but how will I know when that's her? When it's her? When I find the right one?" And God said, or Abraham told him, God would tell him when the right one walked up. And so Eleazar traveled for a long time, and he was very tired and hungry and hot, and he finally arrived at Abraham's old city, and he sat down near a well to get a drink. And as he sat down, he saw some of the girls from the town start to walk up. And as he saw the girls, he began to pray, and he said, "Lord, please reveal to me the right one for my master Abraham's son. Please reveal the right girl to me." And so he began to pray, and the Lord dropped in his heart that um and he kind of really laid a fleece before the Lord and said, "Lord, whoever comes out here and offers me a drink, and not only me, but my camels too, that's going to be the girl, because she's going to have a servant's heart." And so, before he could even finish his prayer and say amen, a girl named Rebecca came and drew water from the well. She immediately offered him and his camels both water to drink. Oh my goodness, before he could even say amen. And so Eleazar knew she was the one. That night, Eleazar went to meet Rebekah's family and told them all about the prayer and what God had sent him there to do and what Abraham had asked him to do. And he asked them if they would let Rebekah come back and marry Isaac. And the family agreed to let her come back to marry Isaac, because they said, "Surely this is the Lord." And so the next morning, Rebekah and Eleazar left. They headed back to Isaac's house, and when they were a little ways off, Rebekah could see a handsome man. She said, "Who is that?" And Isaac was saying the same thing. "Oh my, she is beautiful." And so when they finally met, they knew that they were meant to be. And so Eleazar had found Isaac, the perfect bride, and Isaac and Rebekah were married and had a beautiful family. All right, bye guys.